We're addressing a bus accident in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us from the Virtual Law Center are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
We should be doing this in a pool.
Law and You live poolside, I like it.
I think so.
Maybe that's next week. We'll have to
see. On the lake, or I mean, on the boat. Like,
anything.
Cool us down a little bit.
It's been a rough couple of weeks here with the heat.
I love it.
Well, and it's going to change. Things will change. And, you know, unfortunately, life has changes. And that takes us to our question. Leslie got involved in an accident she wasn't suspecting. She's from Tannersville. And she says, I was on the bus to New York, and the bus rear-ended a car. I hit the seat in front of me and broke 2 teeth. I didn't have my seatbelt on. Will that prevent me from getting money to repair my teeth? So, although Leslie had nothing to do with the fault of the accident, she's wondering about the action of not having her seatbelt on.
You know, Leslie, it's actually a very good question, and it's something that comes up a lot in the context of automobile crashes, tractor-trailer crashes, because some people still don't wear their seatbelts. And not a lot of people wear a seatbelt on a bus, so, you know, you not wearing your seatbelt, not all that uncommon. In the state of Pennsylvania, whether you had your seatbelt on or not is not admissible. So it will not prevent you from, you know, making a recovery, you know, for your injuries. That, you know, the aspect of having a seatbelt on or not has nothing to do with the bus driver, you know, not operating that vehicle, you know, in a reasonable fashion and rear-ending somebody else. So the fact that you weren't wearing your seatbelt, you're not assuming the risk of any particular injury or anything of that nature. So you can still make a recovery for your broken teeth.
Yeah, and what we see is we see a lot of these bus cases that we handle. Some of these bus companies just aren't doing a great job with the hiring of the bus drivers, the training of the bus drivers, the supervision of the bus drivers, and even on the maintenance end of it. So you have a bus accident question, pick up the phone, give us a call. We've handled a bunch of them, and we've had great results.
Yeah, just like, you know, tractor-trailer cases. I mean, you know, buses have to comply with the same rules and regulations that tractor-trailers do, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations. And we've been seeing time and time again that they're just simply not doing that.
No,
so,
terrible.
you know, yeah, if you have a question, call us.
The number of the website, very easy to remember if you need help. And results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.